Has your cat's coat started looking a little messy? While they're great at grooming themselves, sometimes they need a helping hand. Ignoring this could lead to painful mats or even hidden health issues. In today's video, I'll show you how to avoid these problems and make grooming a bonding experience with your furry friend. Let's dive in. Do I need to groom my cat? Sometimes our feline friends need a helping hand with their grooming. Here are some situations where you might need to step in with a brush and some TLC. Long fur. Cats with long, luscious fur might need extra help to prevent tangles and mats. Matted fur. Matted fur can be uncomfortable and even painful, so brushing out those knots is essential. Limited self-grooming. Older cats or those with mobility issues might struggle to groom themselves properly. Post-surgery. Cats wearing a cone after an operation can't groom themselves as usual and will need your assistance. Outdoor adventures. Outdoor-loving cats might come back with all sorts of things stuck in their fur. It's better for you to remove these than for your cat to lick and potentially swallow them. How often should you groom your cat? It depends on their fur length and specific needs. Short-haired cats, usually a weekly brush will do the trick. But during spring and autumn, when shedding increases, you might need to brush them twice a week. Long-haired cats. These fluffy friends need daily brushing, especially if they love outdoor adventures. Regular grooming helps prevent tangles and mats, keeping their coat in top condition. Pay attention to their grooming needs and adjust accordingly. Regular brushing not only keeps their fur healthy, but also strengthens your bond with your furry friend. Best tools for grooming your cat. To keep your cat looking fabulous, you need the right grooming tools. Generally, you'll mostly need a brush or comb, but the specific tool can depend on your cat's fur type and personal preference. Here are some essentials. Comb, perfect for long-haired cats. A good comb helps detangle and remove loose fur, preventing mats and tangles. Brush, ideal for short-haired cats. A weekly brushing session with a soft brush keeps their coat smooth and shiny. Grooming mitt. Some cats prefer these because they feel like a gentle petting session. Grooming mitts are excellent for short-haired cats and can help reduce shedding. When selecting a grooming tool, consider your cat's comfort and fur length. Tailor your choice to your cat's needs, and grooming sessions will be a breeze. How to get your cat used to being groomed. Introducing your cat to grooming can be a smooth process if done correctly. Here are some tips to help your cat get comfortable with grooming. Start young. If possible, introduce grooming tools like combs and brushes when your cat is still a kitten. This helps them get used to the process and see it as a positive experience. Go slow. Don't try to groom your cat all at once, especially if they're new to it. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as they get more comfortable. Minimal restraint. Keep the restraint to a minimum. This makes the grooming experience less stressful for your cat and easier for you. Positive reinforcement. Use treats and praise to reward your cat during and after grooming sessions. This helps them associate grooming with positive outcomes. Desensitization and counter-conditioning. If your cat has had bad grooming experiences in the past, consider working with a qualified behaviorist. They can help create a plan to reduce your cat's fear and anxiety around grooming. By following these tips, you can help your cat see grooming as a pleasant experience rather than something to be feared. Now that we understand the importance of grooming, let's dive into the essential grooming steps to keep your cat looking and feeling their best. Brushing your cat. Brushing your cat does more than just keep her looking good. It helps remove dirt, grease, and dead hair from her coat, eliminates skin flakes, and stimulates blood circulation. This improves the overall condition of her skin. Regular brushing, 1 or 2 times a week, helps maintain her healthy glow. As your cat ages and can't groom as well, these sessions become even more beneficial. So grab that brush and enjoy some bonding time while keeping your kitty healthy and happy. Ear care. Your cat's ears might be able to detect the sound of a treat bag opening from across the house, but they still need a bit of help staying clean. Checking your kitty's ears once a week for wax, debris, and signs of infection can keep those sensitive sonar detectors in top shape. A healthy cat's ear flap, or pinna, should have a layer of hair on its outer surface with no bald spots, and its inner surface should be clean and light pink. If you notice any discharge, redness, or swelling, it's time for a vet visit. Ear Cleaning 101. Place a bit of liquid ear cleaner. Ask your vet for a recommendation onto a clean cotton ball or piece of gauze. Gently fold your cat's ear back and wipe away any debris or earwax visible on the underside of the ear. Lift away the dirt and wax rather than rubbing it into the ear. Avoid cleaning the ear canal. Probing inside your cat's ear can cause trauma or infection. Regular ear checks and cleanings can help keep your cat's ears healthy and alert to all the important sounds in your home. Dental care. Your cat needs clean, sharp teeth and healthy gums. Damage to the tongue, teeth, palate, and gums can lead to many health risks for felines, but these can be prevented with regular home checkups and good old-fashioned brushings. If your kitty's mouth has an unusually strong odor, they might have digestive problems or a gum condition like gingivitis. In such cases, a vet visit is necessary. To check your cat's mouth, gently push back their lips. Healthy gums should be firm and pink, not white or red, with no swelling. Teeth should be clean, free of brown tartar, and none should be loose or broken. Brush your cat's teeth at home with these simple steps. Get your cat used to the idea. Start by gently massaging their gums with your fingers or touching a cotton swab to them. Introduce the taste. After a few sessions, put a bit of cat-formulated toothpaste on their lips to get them used to the taste. Use the right toothbrush. Get a toothbrush designed for cats. It's smaller and has softer bristles. Finger toothbrushes are also available and can provide a gentle gum massage. Brush gently. Apply the toothpaste to their teeth and brush gently. Trimming your cat's claws. Your cat usually keeps their claws in good condition by scratching. Make sure to provide plenty of scratching posts and other ways for them to maintain their claws. As cats age, they may become less active and scratch less, which means you might need to trim their claws to keep them at the right length. Step-by-step guide to trimming your cat's claws. 1. Prepare. Gather clippers specifically designed for cat claws. Treats. Close any doors and windows to prevent your cat from escaping. Consider placing a blanket or towel down for comfort. 2. Hold their paw. Gently hold one paw between your finger and thumb. Apply very gentle pressure to reveal their claws without squeezing. 3. Clip the tip. Use the proper clippers to trim just the tip of the claw. Avoid cutting too short to prevent pain and bleeding from the quick, the pink part at the base. 4. Reward your cat. After trimming one paw, stop to avoid stressing your cat. Reward them with a treat or playtime. For safety, consider having a second person help you. If unsure, ask your vet or vet nurse for a demonstration. Important, never use human clippers on your cat's claws. Cat claws have a different shape, and using the wrong clippers can cause painful splits. Regular claw maintenance ensures your cat's comfort and prevents potential issues as they age. Bathing your cat. It's rare that your cat will ever need a bath. Cats are notorious for their dislike of water, and their self-grooming habits usually keep them clean. Often, a soft cloth soaked in warm water is enough to remove most dirt. However, if your cat gets something potentially toxic in their fur, a bath might be necessary. In such cases, it's best to call your vet for advice, as bathing can be a very stressful experience for cats unaccustomed to water. If you must bathe your cat, try to use only water or a product specifically made for cats. Avoid human shampoos or other cleaning agents, as they can be harmful to your feline friend. When bathing, always be gentle and calm, speaking soothingly to reassure your cat. After the bath, dry your cat thoroughly with a towel and keep them warm. Regular grooming and spot cleaning with a damp cloth should suffice for most cats, keeping them clean and happy without the stress of a full bath. Remember, grooming is not just about keeping your cat looking good. It's a fantastic way to bond and monitor their health. Got any grooming tips or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cat care tips. Thanks for watching, and happy grooming.